This is Bob Anderson, and it is August 9th, 2023. And I'm going to go over two trade setups today that I took in the RTY. And I'm going to show you exactly why I took them. And you're going to sit there and go, Jesus, why didn't I take those? Because if you've watched my videos, you would have taken the same two trades, and you too would have made $1,000. I don't know, and I don't know how many minutes both trades were apart from each other. We'll talk about that. I'll show you. But anyways, I'm going to show you exactly what I was looking at. I'm going to show you exactly why I took these trades. And then I took an oil trade too. So these are my non-10 accounts. My 10 account challenge, I think my balance is almost $700 or something. I'm slacking on that. I get it. I'm spending so much time working on debugging the indicator, and of course my own job also. So I'm a little bit slacking on the 10 account challenge. It's still going up. I'm just not focusing on it as much as I would like to get to my goal, which by the end of the month was, I think it was to get my balances to 53,000. Right now my balances are like 50,700 on all 10 accounts. But anyways, on my 5 accounts, my main 5 accounts, I hit those hard today. Bing, 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 bing. Somebody's got to pay the bills. Somebody's got to pay the bills. So anyways, what I want to talk about is patience and a plan will increase your chances of perfection. I can't stress that enough. You got to be patient. You got to have a plan. You got to know why you're taking a trade. You got to know where your targets are. Yada, yada, yada. Patience and a plan will increase your chances of perfection. I nailed 2 RTY trades today. I'm going to show you exactly those 2 trades, and then I'm going to show you something really interesting after. I'm going to show you something real interesting after. But anyways, here we go. So here is the RTY, okay? So I'm going to try to kind of show you the whole thing, knock these over. So anyways, here's the RTY. And what we're going to do is we are going to talk about today's trading in that instrument. And why did, a plan, let's talk about this. A patience and a plan. So let me talk about part of the plan. Today was oil inventory day. It was Wednesday. So the plan was for me to focus on the RTY and not focus on oil until oil's inventory was over. Okay? So a plan. What was the plan? The plan was to focus on RTY as long as I could see some movement and whatnot, because oil had oil inventory. So every Wednesday, unless it's a holiday month, a holiday week. So anyways, what did we have? We had a crossover and a roll up right into here. I tried to take a red line long here earlier in the pre-market, got knocked out at even, no big deal. Oh, I got a tick. I got a tick there. 4 contracts got a tick, no big deal. But then we crossed over, rolled up into the red line. Oh my gosh, look at this. Now I fell asleep at the wheel on this one, I'll be honest with you. There it is, we pierced the red line. There's your short. Wham, look at that. Holy cow, where was Bob? I was probably getting a cup of coffee. Probably getting a cup of coffee. This is test 1 of the red line. Okay, now this is all pre-market, so I'll play the red line because movement is slow. The red line has a tendency to work when movement is slow. Okay, that's the key to the red line, is slow movement. It's the more high-paced movement that you're looking for, the 5-minute gold line and the 1-minute gold line. But anyways, because this is your directional instrument, this is your direction. Keep the market either short or keep the market long. So this was your first piercing of it right there. And look at that. Holy cow. So at 8:40 this morning, you could have had your one and done right there. 30 ticks. 59.1 to 56.1 would have been right there. Now, do you think anybody should be surprised that it rolled down a couple more ticks and then rolled up? Should anybody be surprised by that? No, nobody should be surprised by that. Anyways, roll down to your overnight open, blah, blah, blah. Then you had your market open. So we were here's the market open right here at 9:30, push down, and then we just started, so of course I'm not doing anything. This is my open range break box, come down, make the bottom of the box, roll up, and we're just doing this stuff here. And I'm sitting there going, man, God, is this going to be another wasted day? So, because I got the overnight open above me, I can't really look for a break of the box this way. Anyways, so we go sideways, and then all of a sudden the market starts moving a little bit. Ooh, okay. Remember now, patience and a plan. Here's our low. This low happened at 9:33. What happened? Ooh, we broke a new low at 10:18. 10:18, we had a new low. See that right there? Does everybody see that? Because this is very important. Do you see that new low right there? We broke a new low at 10:18. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let's see what happens. Ooh, holy cow. We got a big roll up. So this candle here is really big. I'm not a fan of that candle right there, because that's a really big candle. This is a gold line right here. Here's your smooth pullback. Except if you're going to take the break, you're way away from the gold line, and I don't like being way away from the moving average if I'm going to enter. That's my personal whatever. So let's see what happens next. Oh, this candle consolidates. Oh, now this gets a little different. Okay, this candle consolidates here. So now we don't have this big, see this entry, if this thing had broken down, the entry's at 40.7, but the gold line's way up at 42.6. It's almost 20 ticks away. So, anyways, but this is a total different animal, because now the bottom of the candle is 42.3. And by the time this candle closed, this is at 42.7. Oh my God, we are only 4 ticks from the candle. I mean, from the moving average. So what do? Bam! Right there. It's hard to see because red and fuchsia don't match, but my entry was right there at 42.2, which is right there. I don't even know why. You can't even see it on here, but you can see it says it right here. 42.2. Bam, 20 ticks right there, 40.2. Guess what it did after the 20 ticks? Guess what it did after the 20 ticks of the 1 minute gold line? It went down 2 more ticks and rolled all the way back up. Should anybody be surprised by that? Should anybody be surprised by that? Nah, I don't think anybody should be surprised by that. I know I wasn't surprised by that. But who likes to get into a trade that in 1 minute, from the moment you're in, you're out, and you made your money? I know I do. I know I like that. Those are my favorite. Looking for that slingshot, that boomerang, that rubber band, that let's go, and wing, out goes the bullet. Anyways, so let's see what happens next. Okay, that's really good. I mean, I'm excited right there. Holy cow, I've already made my day, So now I'm looking, and this one rolls up and touches that gold line again. Here's your bottom, but see, it's not a smooth pullback. You see that? Because you had a lower and then a bing. So we're not looking for a short off the gold line anymore. So now I'm like, what am I going to do now? Well, now, okay, so let's go sequence. Let's go sequence of events. First thing is 1 minute gold line. Set up, new pivot low, smooth pullback, bam, bam. So now you're down here, you got another new pivot low. What are you looking for? Since you do not have a smooth pullback to your 1 minute gold line, you should be looking for your 5 minute gold line. These are all in sequence. But you can't take a 5 minute gold line if it breaks a major pivot to the downside. Okay? So there's only two things you're thinking about. So let's see what happens here. See, the 5 minute gold line has not gotten down below these 5 minute pivots. See that? So this is getting a little dicey. I'm hoping everybody's seeing this. Okay, I want to do it candle by candle so that you can recognize what I'm seeing when I'm taking these trades, okay? So, oh man, okay, it broke that pivot. So no, I am no longer, abort. I am no longer looking for the 5 minute gold line. Abort. Okay, see, that's what my mind's going. My mind's going abort. All right, so now what? Well, markets, this is not big movement, by the way. These candles are kind of small for the RTY. So I'm sitting here again, just kind of hanging out, kind of wondering what the heck. So you get some people, they kind of sucked in. They got a couple people sucked in here. You might have gotten a little bit of money. I don't know. Oh, and then it rolls back on you. Shoot. Oh, well. Why did it roll back up on you? Because it stair-stepped. It broke this pivot. Why did it roll back up on you? Because it stair-stepped. It broke that pivot. Now you're not stepping. Now your stairs aren't going down. Your stairs are going up. Okay. Shoot. Good thing I didn't get in that one, huh? Yeah, good thing. So what are we doing next? Well, we're rolling up. Now the only thing we got left is the 5 minute red line. Now let's talk about the 5 minute red line. What did we have here? Let's go back and look, okay? Baby steps. Let's go back and look. We had a thrust down, pull up, bam. That is test number 1. Have we had another test? Nope. Not so far. And so we had the break of this 5 minute, we had this break of this pivot so that the 5 minute gold line was no longer valid. It was broken with this candle right here at 10 o'clock. And then we're just sitting here. Ooh, look at that. Geez, that was pretty violent. Ooh, man, that is pretty violent. Ooh, doggy, what is going on here? Oh, that's right. This is the trade. I'm sorry. I'm brain dead. Follow me here. Anyways, here's the pivot we broke. Of course, we broke this pivot too, which would have made that 5 minute gold line invalid also. So this breaks this pivot here. It's invalid. No more 5 minute gold line. So now what do we got? Well, we're just kind of going sideways again. But we know up here we've had one test of the 5 minute red line. We know price is moving slow. See all this slowness here? I like slow when the 5 minute red line comes into play. So what did we get? Let's talk about this. Here's the red line right here. This one pierced it. It doesn't show on, there we go. This one pierced it. Nice. This candle was kind of big. This candle was really small. Oh, wow. Enter right at 46, which is the bottom of this. This candle was 42.6. I had a tick of slippage on that entry. Not excited about that. My top is 46.9, so 47 is my stop, which is exactly 10 ticks. And what did we do? Oh my God. We hit 30 ticks in 1, 2, 3 candles. 30 ticks. Bam. 4 contracts. So now let's just talk about this. You remember these contracts, these are $5 a tick instruments. So I have 4 of them because if I'm trading 2 oil contracts, this is the same as trading 2 oil contracts. It's 4 of these. So if you hit this 1 minute gold line and you hit this 5 minute red line for 30 ticks. I like those for 30 plus ticks, these 5 minute red lines. By the way, this one blew down to 40, blew down for 50 ticks before it even slowed down. 50 ticks. Just FYI, 50. I took 30. This and this is $1,000. $1,000. Now let me show you something really interesting. Who would like to see something interesting? Let me show you guys something really interesting. Would you like to see something really interesting? I bet you would. See this? Watch this. Bam. There's the new indicator. Black candle here on the 1 minute gold line because the candle's too long for an entry as far as I'm concerned. So it's black. You don't want to be entering below it. But when this one consolidated is no longer black, here's your little green, here's your little pink dot. That's telling you where your entry is. Bam, boom. This is trade 1. This is the indicator. Here's your short off. By the way, here's your short right here. It gives you this little green dot. Here's your entry dot. Entry for your. This is green one because this is a red line. Each one of these has different colors, means different things. Anyways, boom, boom. $1,000. 200 ticks. 2 trades, profit limit hit, shut it down. Next. That was what I wanted to show you. So I traded exactly how I created that indicator. I took the 2 trades in the RTY today that were exactly how that indicator told to take the trades. Everybody, don't forget about the affiliate for midnight tomorrow, 90% off Apex. I got a link down below too if you want that, AGIBQTJY. And I am getting very excited about this indicator. I'm getting very excited. I have another version in my email because I saw some errors in oil today on the indicator that the indicator said. You know, I saw some errors, so I had to get that debugged and figured out. I'm finding every time I debug something, it creates another bug. But anyways, I traded those trades with no indicator. And then my indicator, when I turn it on, it tells me those same 2 trades. Gotta like that. Anyways, everybody have a good day. I will talk to you soon. Keep your stops tight. Have patience and a plan. Why was that first trade so good in the RTY? Because we created a new pivot low back into the 1 minute gold line, and then wham! I confess 100%. Those of you who've been watching me for a while, I'm getting better at seeing the shorts, but I'm really good at seeing that if it's long. Anyways, have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.